McLaren. From above, the facility appears both enormous and impressive. Its scale reflects modern manufacturing power.
Every chocolate-coated cereal begins in fields like these, where high-quality grains are cultivated under control. Large harvesters separate kernels from stalks in a single swift motion. This efficiency preserves grain quality during. The grains are collected gently to avoid cracking and contamination. Intact grains grind into cleaner flour.
From the farm, grains travel to advanced milling facilities located near cereal factories. Fast transport protects.
Inside the mill, grains pass through sieves that remove dust, stones, and unwanted debris. Clean grains guarantee
air currents separating grains by weight and density. This sorting ensures that only mature, uniform kernels proceed to grinding.
Roller mills crush kernels gradually to create fine, consistent flour. Avoiding overheating.
The flour is transported through sealed pipes to prevent contamination. Silos store precise blends of
NextGen. Dry ingredients are combined in large mixers to ensure perfect distribution of nutrients and flavor bases.
Oranges. Every ingredient must disperse evenly, since extrusion reacts to even slight imbalances. Consistency in water, syrups, and binders are added to form a dough-like mixture. The moisture level determines how the cereal expands inside.
The mixture transitions from powder to moist granules and then into a unified mass. This granulation stage.
The finished mix is conveyed into the extruder's feed section. Its texture must remain uniform for stable.
Twin screws inside the extruder knead, compress, and cook the dough under intense heat and pressure.
As temperature and pressure increase, the dough transforms into a semi-fluid mass.
Sensors monitor torque, pressure, and temperature in real time. These indicators help operators fine-tune.
As the cooked dough leaves the high-pressure environment of the extruder, it rapidly expands. This expansion forms the purpose.
Rotating knives slice the extrudate into bite-sized pieces with millimeter precision. Perfect sizing ensures revis. The cereal pieces land on conveyors to release excess steam. Their structure stabilizes quickly as they cool. The pre-dryer removes initial surface moisture using warm air. This prepares each piece for deeper drying without. Gentle tumbling exposes all sides of each cereal piece. Uniform airflow reduces moisture evenly. Balanced drying ensures consistent crunch. Moisture scanners verify whether the cereal is ready for the main drying stage. Precise readings support stable texture development.
The main dryer hardens the cereal core and sets its shape permanently. Multiple temperature zones create it. Inside the dryer, starch structure sets firmly. Each kernel becomes hollow, light, and crisp.
Cooling stabilizes the cereal structure and ensures it's ready for chocolate application. If the pieces remain too warm, the coating would melt inconsistently.
To create the chocolate coating, ingredients blend inside steam-heated kettles. The mixture melts into a smooth.
The chocolate mixture turns glossy as fats and sugars combine harmoniously. This shine indicates proper tempering and
Sensors ensure that the chocolate remains within a narrow temperature window. Too thick and it won't spread well. Too thin.
The cooled cereal enters giant drums, where tumbling exposes every surface. This motion ensures that each
chocolate sprays in controlled bursts, forming a delicate layer around each piece. It dries instantly due to the cereal.
With each rotation, the chocolate coating becomes smoother and richer. Multiple layering cycles create the perfect thickness.
High-volume factories operate many drums at once to meet demand. Each drum follows a precise time cycle to maintain consistency.
A glazing agent is added to produce the cereal's glossy exterior. This coating prevents pieces from sticking during storage.
As the pieces tumble, the glaze spreads evenly and forms a protective layer. The shine signals proper film formation.
The drums slow gradually to prevent breakage and allow finishing layers to set. Gentle motion preserves the integrity.
The coated cereal passes through a cooling tunnel that solidifies the chocolate. Controlled temperature prevents blooming or dull spots.
Cold air circulates around each piece to set the coating uniformly. Consistent cooling creates smooth, crack-free surfaces.
Once cooled, the cereal gains its final crunch and shape stability. Its color deepens as the chocolate hardens.
Inspection systems evaluate size, shape, and coating coverage. Optical sensors detect even minor imperfections. Only perfectly coated pieces move forward.
High-speed cameras analyze surface texture and shine. Algorithms identify broken pieces or dull coatings instantly. Automated rejection supports uniform quality.
Rejected cereal pieces are diverted using targeted air jets. This contact-free removal prevents contamination or damage.
Texture instruments measure the force needed to break individual cereal pieces. These readings reveal crunch quality and structural stability.
The crack sound and resistance pattern indicate moisture distribution. Proper calibration ensures the cereal stays crisp even after weeks in storage.
Aroma chambers evaluate chocolate intensity and freshness. Sensory experts ensure the finished cereal meets company data. Vibrating channels organize cereal into perfectly spaced lanes. This alignment supports accurate weighing and bag filling.
The vibrations move pieces without causing fractures. This gentle transport protects fragile coatings. The even spacing enhances measurement precision.
Multi-head weighers calculate exact quantities using dozens of tiny weigh buckets. Their rapid adjustments keep every portion accurate.
Ports. When the ideal combination is reached, buckets open simultaneously and funnel cereal toward packaging.
The packaging film wraps into a tube before being sealed along the vertical seam. This forms the main structure of
Heat seal bars fuse the edges into a strong vertical seam. This seam protects the cereal from air and humidity. Precise portions of cereal flow from the weighers into the forming bag. Gravity and timing work together to ensure smoothness.
Each piece lands softly due to carefully engineered chute geometry. A smooth path prevents breakage and dust generation.
Before sealing, each bag receives a controlled nitrogen flush. Nitrogen replaces oxygen to preserve crispness.
The brief expansion ensures that oxygen levels drop to near zero. This environment protects color, aroma, and texture. Heated jaws seal the top seam instantly, creating a protective barrier. This airtight closure is essential for long-term quality.
Micro patterns in the sealing jaws strengthen the seam. These patterns prevent tearing and help bags withstand transportation stresses.
Cool air jets set the seal, ensuring it remains strong during packing. Stabilized seams keep the bag structure firm.
Image-based inspection systems evaluate bag shape, seal integrity, and label accuracy. High-speed
Defective bags are removed instantly to avoid the downstream issues. The rejected items undergo review to
Robotic arms organize finished bags into retail or wholesale cartons.
Carton flaps fold in synchronization as glue secures each seam. The adhesive sets quickly to keep boxes rigid. This durability protects cereal in transit.
A compression station presses the carton gently to lock all flaps in place.
Laser printers mark essential data onto each carton, including batch numbers and expiry dates. This information supports full traceability.
Automated scanners confirm that barcodes and print details meet retail standards. Readability ensures smooth scanning along the surface.
Cartons arrive at the palletizing zone, where machines stack them systematically. This structure protects boxes from Robots arrange cartons in alternating directions to maximize stability. This interlocking pattern prevents pallet collapse. Corner boards reinforce structural edges and protect cartons from impact. They keep stacks from bending or crushing. A rotating platform wraps the pallet in stretch film, creating a tight protective layer. This film shields boxes.
The film stretches to several times its original length, gripping the pallet firmly. This tension provides remarkable stability.
Once wrapped, the pallet moves to climate-controlled storage. Forklifts transport it safely through wide, organized aisles.
Warehouses maintain controlled humidity to protect the chocolate-coated cereal from blooming. Organized racks RFID and barcode systems log every pallet entering or leaving storage. These records prevent mix-ups and streamline shipments.
When orders are placed, pallets are staged for outbound transport. Their placement follows first-in, first-out protocols.
Dock plates create a secure bridge for forklifts. This prevents jolts that might damage cartons. The stable connection speeds up loading.
Inside the truck, pallets are positioned to ensure airflow and stability. Drivers maintain climate conditions. Loaded trucks depart the factory, carrying pallets of chocolate-coated cereal toward retailers and distribution hubs.
These vehicles travel across cities and regions with temperature control systems that protect the cereal from extreme heat. Stable
Sensors track vibration, temperature, and humidity continuously. Alerts notify drivers of sudden change.
Retail staff unload pallets carefully to avoid crushing or bending cartons. Proper unloading preserves packaging.
Inside storage rooms, employees open cartons and inspect packages for damage. Retail quality checks ensure
Packaging design and bright graphics draw consumer attention. Eye-level placement enhances visibility. This final arrangement completes the marketing cycle.
A customer pauses to examine the cereal's flavor, aroma description, and nutritional details. This moment reflects.
Retail scanners capture product codes, feeding data back into global inventory tracking systems. Accurate scanning.
In the home, cereal represents a fast, familiar, and comforting breakfast choice. Its convenience is the
As the cereal pours out, its smooth chocolate coating glints under the light. The hollow structure ensures immediate crunch.
Milk flows over the cereal, activating the contrast between crunch and creaminess.
The final bowl visually represents the cereal's entire journey, from farms to factories to family tables.
When isolated, each piece reveals precision in shape, shine, and coating thickness. These details reflect
the glossy coating capture the richness of cocoa and the craftsmanship of coating drones. This sheen
Ultimates. The factory operates as a synchronized ecosystem, producing thousands of cereal bags each hour.
Displaying each stage side by side reveal the remarkable transformation. Simple grains evolve into a polished, flavor.
The final packaged product showcases meticulous design and robust construction. Its durability protects the cereal from
films. The pieces roll effortlessly, their shapes perfectly symmetrical. Such precision is the hallmark of advanced extrusion cereal.
The sound of crunch confirms ideal structure, light, hollow, and resilient. This acoustic signature is engineered through temperature.
The packaging line showcases the speed and precision of modern food manufacturing. Every movement is optimized for
The geometry of cereal pieces represents intentional design. Their uniformity ensures reliable performance in every